Hey everybody, this is Christopher Small with CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today I want to talk to you about whether or not a revocable trust needs its own separate tax ID number. This is a question that I get asked often, and I thought I would just come here and clear the air. That's a shorty but a goodie. That's something people want to know. Before I get to that though, if you need estate planning help, if you have a question or comment or you want to talk more, please go to estatemeeting.com. You can set up a time to talk with me over the phone or in person for free. estatemeeting.com. Okay, let's talk about whether or not a revocable living trust needs a tax ID number, its own separate tax ID number. The short answer is no, it does not. And there are a couple of reasons for this, but the main reason is that in theory, when you create a revocable living trust, you as the trustor, the creator of the trust, have a significant amount of freedom, basically complete freedom with what you want to do with the trust. You can move assets in and out of the trust. You can change the terms of the trust. You can destroy the trust. You can literally trust together. Either one of your social security numbers will work. The reason for this, again, is quite simple. Everything just passes straight through the trust into you while you are alive. Now, with that being said, if you're married, when the last of the two of you passes away and the trust becomes an irrevocable trust for the benefit of your beneficiaries, typically kids, but it can be anybody else, then crazy, you threw me off. You could have just said that in the comment. I got to update the title. By the way, if you're watching this later, the title says revocable loving trusts and not living trusts. But once the last of the two spouses passes away and the trust becomes irrevocable, at that time it will need its own tax ID because it then becomes its own entity, has to file its own taxes and has to do all that stuff. All right, so hope that helped. If it did, please hit the like button. If you know someone that needs to hear this, please share it with them. And if you have a question or comment, please leave it. Otherwise, once again, I am Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning. We do probate. We do it well. If you have questions or comments or need help, you want to talk about anything related to estate planning or probate, please go to estatemeeting.com. You can set up a time to talk with us over the phone or in person for free. estatemeeting.com. As always, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching all the way through. And hope you have a great day. And I will talk to you again tomorrow. See ya.